Ciao ragazzi! In this video, you will learn how to express likes and dislikes and how to give descriptions using adjectives. So let's start with likes and dislikes. I like is mi piace. For example, mi piace la pasta, I like pasta, mi piace l'acqua, I like water, and mi piace il formaggio, I like cheese. To say that you dislike something, non mi piace. When you place non before the verb in an Italian sentence, it makes it negative. So, non mi piace l'olio, I don't like oil. Non mi piace il caffè, I don't like coffee. And non mi piace il pesce, I don't like fish. So now let's look at adjectives. And remember, adjectives are describing words. In English, adjectives are invariable. That means they remain the same regardless of whether we are describing one thing or 100 things, whether we describe a boy or a girl. With food examples, we could say, the biscuit is delicious and the soup is delicious. Our adjective here, delicious, does not change. It remains the same in both sentences. In Italian, adjectives must agree with the gender and number of the nouns that they describe. So look at these examples. Il biscotto è delizioso. La minestra è deliziosa. So here, delizioso ends in an O because it has to agree with or match with il biscotto, which is a masculine word. Whereas here, our adjective becomes deliziosa because we are matching it to the word minestra, which is a feminine word. So let's practice with some examples. We want to say, the ice cream is good in Italian. Our adjective, good, is buono in Italian. So our sentence becomes, il gelato è buono. But if we want to say, the cake is good, we still need the adjective buono, but now it has to agree with the word la torta, which is a feminine word. That means that buono changes to buona. So la torta è buona. Another example, the fish is fresh. Our adjective fresh is fresco in Italian, and our sentence becomes il pesce è fresco. But if we want to say the fruit is fresh, we still use the adjective fresco, but we need to change it to fresca to agree with the noun frutta. La frutta è fresca. E-ending adjectives are even simpler to use because they don't have to change to agree with masculine or feminine nouns. So if we want to say the croissant is sweet, the adjective for sweet is dolce. It ends in an E, which means it doesn't have to change, and our sentence is simply il cornetto è dolce. Again, the lemonade is sweet, so we use dolce as our adjective, and because it's E-ending, it stays the same. La limonata è dolce. So to summarize, I like, mi piace. I don't like, non mi piace. With regards to adjectives, Italian adjectives must agree with or match to what they describe. Adjectives that end in O change to an A if describing a feminine noun. And adjectives that end in E stay the same for both masculine and feminine nouns. So continue to practice to become more confident in stating opinions and descriptions in Italian. Arrivederci e buon lavoro.